Today we are working on the final lesson in Lesson 3, Displaying Formulas. I have a feeling this one will be short. On the Formulas tab, in the Formulas Auditing group, click Show Formulas. So click right up here. Here's your Formulas tab. And it wants you to go over here in the Formula Auditing, click Show Formulas. And this shows you every formula that you have in the worksheet. An alternative way of activating this feature is to use the keyboard shortcut key sequence, Control plus the grave accent. Whatever that is, not ready to go to the grave, so I'm going to just click Formulas and then Show Formulas. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. If necessary, increase the size of the workbook window so that you can see columns A to G. You can also print this worksheet with all the formulas displayed. So on ours, you can see, on mine, I can see all the formulas. If you needed to increase the size so you could see all the formulas, go ahead and do that. To turn off the displays of formulas, simply click the Show Formulas button in the ribbon again. You can see that that turns it off. On, off, on, off. Click File, and then Options. Click Advanced over here on the left pane. Scroll down to the Displays option for this worksheet. You see, here's your display options. And clear the Show Formulas and Cells instead of their calculated results. What? Oh, didn't scroll far enough. I only went to right there. You got to keep scrolling. Display options for this worksheet. Show formulas and cells instead of their calculated results. Click OK. And it shows you right here that that's where that was. So close that. So use the scroll arrows or next or previous buttons to navigate. So that's another way. The easiest way is just to go to Formulas, Show Formulas. So let's mark that as answered. Click Submit, Submit Results. And this completes displaying formulas, and this also completes Lesson 3.